Welcome to Half and One. My name is Neil Walang and today we would like to educate you on the less spoken of male suicide rate around the world. Across the globe, close to 800,000 people die by suicide every year. That's one person every 40 seconds. For each suicide, there are more than 20 suicide attempts. It is worth pointing out, however, that men are more likely to die by suicide compared to women. Though women are more likely to contemplate suicide, comparatively, men are more prone to put it into realization. This is known as the gender paradox in suicide. Globally, men are 1.7 times more likely to commit suicide, according to a report by the World Health Organization. In India alone, as per the data of 2015 by the National Crime Records Bureau, out of the 133,623 reported suicide cases, 68% were by men, out of which 23% were by daily wage earners, followed by farmers and self-employed persons. Thus, the data shows that more men are committing suicide than women. What is the underlying cause for the gender disparity in suicide? Many researchers have attempted to find explanations for why gender is such a significant indicator of suicide. A common explanation relies on the social constructions of masculinity and femininity. According to the literature on gender and suicide, male suicide rates are explained in terms of traditional gender roles. Male gender roles tend to emphasize greater levels of strength, independence, risk-taking behavior, economic status, and individualism. Another factor closely tied to gender roles is employment status. Males' vulnerability may be heightened during times of unemployment because of societal expectations that males should provide for themselves and their families. It is also worth pointing out that suicides amongst men are also prevalent in India because of suicides committed by farmers due to agrarian stress such as indebtedness and crop failure, which is also a component of the cumulative data on male suicide. Interestingly, some studies have concluded that men are more likely to be impulsive than women, which can drive them to suicide. A 2016 neurological study conducted by a team of researchers from Auburn University in the US found that there are 4 traits defined as the acquired capability for suicide, which men are more likely to have than women. The traits are fearlessness of death, pain tolerance, emotional stoicism, and sensation seeking. People experiencing a desire to commit suicide will not do so without first losing their fear of dying and developing the necessary pain tolerance to endure making a lethal attempt. The mental health epidemic is a health issue that until recently remained masked and sidelined in our discourse on public health. Though attention to mental health is gradually gaining traction, acknowledging mental health issues amongst men is still largely unaddressed. This is because the fear of stigmatization and being seen vulnerable prevents men from openly talking about the mental health challenges they endure. As a result, men facing emotional problems tend to resort to alcoholism and substance abuse as a coping mechanism instead of seeking professional help. Consequently, emotional problems, stress, and depression remain masked and bottled up, which inevitably leads men to voluntarily choosing to end their lives.